electronic devices at this time. Again, small portable electronic devices must remain in airplane mode for the duration of the flight. In a few moments, we'll begin our in-flight service. Many of the lists are complimentary beverages, and selections for purchase can be found in the seat back pocket in front of you. We do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened while the fasten seatbelt sign is on. When the captain does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, we have 3 lavatories on board, 1 in the front, 2 in the back. There's a red X on the ceiling that will indicate when the lavatories are occupied. We ask that you please do not form a line, stand, or congregate at the forward lavatory at all. Thanks so much. Enjoy your flight, and again, please remain seated.